Oh, ito real talk lang tayo. May mga companies kasi nagpapa-advise sa akin about which way is better, to fire an old employee or to retain an old employee. Actually, balikan natin ang retention rate ng each companies bago tayo makapag-decide. Yan yung tinatawag na retention rate or baga yung attrition rate. Tapos makakatulong yan kung itong advice ko sa inyo is applicable. Again, case-to-case basis. So kung babalikan natin ang costing structure ng each company about staffing, in my opinion, it is better to retain an individual. Most employees are leaving because of transferring to a better company. Actually, high pay scale. Actually, nagdi-differ lang din naman yan ng 15 to 20% ng difference ng current salary. However, may negative impact ito sa existing company. Bakit? Balikan natin ang pagdadaanan ng mga empleyado bago sila magsimula magtrabaho. So first is attraction. Attraction, syempre yan yung marketing, posting, so gagastos pa rin ng company dyan. Next is recruitment. Dadaan ang araw, taon, o buwan, or weeks, hindi natin alam kung gaano kahirap yung certain position. So recruitment is may costing din kaya tumbas yan. Plus onboarding. Onboarding requires time, training, tapos hintayin mo pa yung tao na ma-fully understand yung job description niya. Tsaka sa mga tasks na ibibigay sa kanya. So that requires time. So an average time waiting yan maybe 3 to 6 months. Kaya tayo may tinatawag na probationary period. Whereas bigyan mo na lang ng 15 or 20% ng incremental ng salary ng old employees, makakatipid ka sa mga costing na katumbas nun. So ikaw, may-ari ng company, ano sa tingin mo ang nararapat?